Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Tourism sector and we have started taking the changes, getting reforms what are required. Beach beach cleaning beach safety other issues which are there illegally happening. That is something which have been irritating the tourists who have been coming down. Clean and safe beaches samajh message. A lot of things needed to be done. As we have had meetings with the DGP and the concerned police officials that we need to work together, ensure that Atithi Devo Bhava really comes in proper form. एक म्हणल्यार फायन जे टुरिस्टांक मारता अनवॉन्टेडली द हॅरेसमेंट और आई वुड से द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द टुरिस्ट फेस normally on the highways or roads, whether they are two-wheelers or four-wheelers, where they are stopped for challan, ते पहिले परत रिव्यू करून तांकां कशें बरें करचें पडटा, how we can be more hospitable to them and show that we are really meaning the theme of Atithi Devo Bhava is one part. Secondly, जो आमचे in terms of the beach, so beach management, surveillance cameras, how we can get better equipped facilities in terms of creating security to the tourist who is coming, who is using this particular beach, at the same time ensuring that whatever facilities are required, we are able to provide to them. As आम्ही जो review घेतला, त्या review प्रमाणे we will ensure that proper monitoring is done, action against illegal things will start. Use of technology in the next few weeks, we will start to ensure smooth coordination so that in the first instance the stakeholders are there, and second we will also try and take the public in between, so we are able to create in the coming season, we are able to create that impression of clean and safe beaches for the people of Goa.